Dah nampak ke?
Begini Sudah I try to mute. Okay. Kita go live.
Buka je lah.
Okay. Assalamualaikum. Salam Sabtang. Kita cuba sambung revision santai. Okay. Hanya santai-santai je. Hari ni kita ramai yang request untuk tengok PSPN Johor. Ada ramai request, so kita ambil yang ramai request lah. Okay, jadi untuk yang first awal-awal ni kita jemputlah pensyarah kanan unit matematik Puan Nik Rafidah. Okay, Puan Nik Rafidah untuk sambung setakat mana Puan Nik nak lah. Okay, lepas tu saya akan sambung. Okay, so kita jemputlah Puan Nik. Puan Nik boleh teruskan.
Okay, boleh nampak ke? Boleh nampak ke? Okay, so kita mula teruslah dengan nombor 3 sebab nombor 1 tu jawab sendirilah. Nama je kan? Nama praktikam. Okay, soalan nombor 3 here. Question where you ask a find limit x squared minus 49 over x minus 7 as x approach 7. Okay, first kalau tengok je ada LIM, so kita akan buat direct substitution. Okay, so cuba ganti nilai. 7 squared ikut minus 49 will be 0, bawah pun jadi 0, so 0 over 0. Okay, so bila 0 over 0 dia dalam indeterminate form. So indeterminate form means that kalau kita nak solve ni kita kena guna factorization. So you factorize this as x minus 7. This is x plus 7. Okay, and then below here we have x minus 7. Kena sangkut pula kak. So bawahnya ada x minus 7 lah. Sekejap. Ada pecek guna sangkut lagi ni. Okay, so here kita akan dapat x minus 7 as your x here is approach 7. Okay, so bila kita factorize, you can cancel this one lah. We cancel this one. So tinggal x plus 7, ganti terus lah. Soalan ni kat objektif, tak payah nak tulis betul-betul lah. Tapi untuk tunjuk ni, cikgu tunjuk penuh lah ya. So 7 plus 7 here equals to 14. So jawapannya adalah 14. So C lah. Okay, so kita guna first direct substitution. Kalau dia dapat indeterminate form, kita guna factorization. Okay, and then you just substitute, dapat nilai 14 here. Okay, question number 2 here. Kita tengok soalan ni pun sama. You nampak aja ada LIM, so direct substitution. So kita akan dapat atas tu 0 over 0. So since we have a cert and then plus another number here, we're gonna multiply with the conjugate. So you multiply with the cert x plus 6. X plus 6 and then plus 3 plus 3, bawah pun sama lah. Okay, set x plus 6. Alamak, pen ni lah. Plus 3. Okay, yang ni dia adalah kita panggil conjugate untuk yang bawah. So atas tu you don't have to expand. Tak payah expand lah yang atas tu. Tapi kalau kita nak solve tu, kalau sebetulnya kita tulislah limit ya. Tapi kalau soalan nak objektif, you tak payah tulis pun tak apa. Kita nak cepat. So, pen cikgu tak boleh tulis. Alamak.
Kalau function yang biasa lah, tapi
di mana ni Dr. Syawati, pen cikgu tak boleh guna. Okay, limit atas ni masih lagi x minus 3 and then you ada multiply with x plus 6 ya, and then plus 3, tak muat ni. bawah ni you akan dapat x plus 6 and then minus 9. X plus 6 kalau you expand bawah So x plus 6 x plus 6 and then minus 9 here. Okay, so bila you simplify, ni cikgu tak tulis banyak kali lah This is when your x is approach 3. So you boleh nampak tak kita boleh cancel x minus 3 dengan x minus 3 yang kat bawah ni So yang tinggal nanti bila you continue, you akan dapat yang ni je tinggal. X plus 6 and then plus 3 here. As your x here is approach 3. Okay, then kita substitute numbers lah. 3 plus 6 will be equals to 9. So set 9 will be 3. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So jawapannya adalah B. Okay, so for question number 2, the answer is B. So we're going to proceed with the next one here. Okay, question number 5 here. Choose the reason why f of x is discontinuous. So before we answer this question, first you need to remember what is the condition continuous at x equals to a. Okay, so continuous at x equals to a, there will be 3 conditions, right? So the first one here, it must be defined. FA must be defined. Okay, FA must be defined. The second one here, limit must exist. Limit x approach a f of x must be exist. And the third one here, dalam exam janganlah tulis ni, cikgu tulis ni nak bagi you all refresh balik lah apa you all dah belajar So yang pertama ni sama dengan yang kedua. Okay, now the question is choose the reason why f of x is discontinuous at x equals to 3. So kita check dulu FA is defined or not. What is the F3? So kita punya F3 here equals to ada certain number lah kat sini ada number dia. Okay, let's say for example cikgu letaklah kat sini sebab dia tak tulis. So maybe this one here is A here. So A here. Okay, so when you want to check for the second condition where we have limit from left and from right, you just follow the graph lah Okay, A here. F A. Okay. Kalau you check limit from left, so just follow the graph here. You follow the graph. So kalau cikgu letak nilai kat sini, this is a value dia B. So you will notice that limit from left equals to B. Limit from right pun dia akan dapat B juga. So limit as your x is approach 3, f of x will be equals to B. So from the graph you boleh nampak dah dari kanan B, dari kiri pun B. So if the first condition is satisfied, the second condition satisfied, so we need to check for the third condition. So the third condition, this is the second one, ni satu. The third condition you check F3, is it equals to the limit or not? So F3 equals to A, but the limit equals to B. So therefore we can say that f of 3 does not equals to limit f of x as x approach 3. So that's why they're discontinuous. So the answer is A in this case here. A. Okay, because it doesn't satisfy the third condition. Okay, so yang ni kalau siapa tak hafal, make sure you memorize this one lah. Continuous at x equals to A. Okay, so the fourth question here, determine. Okay, still the question here is a limit questions. So when you see the limit LIM, direct substitution. So negative infinite squared, you get infinite. Infinite. So kita tengok atasnya infinite. And then you substitute the below one here, also you get infinite. So infinite over infinite, that is indeterminate form. Infinite over infinite, that is indeterminate form. So bila you come across with this kind of question here, you can see that this is limit at infinite as your x is approach negative infinite. So soalan ni kalau you tengok, dia ada dua case kan. Satu case kalau if you can still remember, the first case is polynomial divided by polynomials or surd with the polynomials. So dalam case ni kita ada surd. So bila dia ada surd, dia akan bahagi dengan surd lah. Yang tak ada surd, you divide by x. Okay, and then later you check here. Kalau you check dekat sini, kita punya x is approach negative infinite. So bila dia approach negative infinite, means that dekat luar ni you letak negative ya. Okay, and then you may simplify this. Simplify. Okay, so you will have limit x approach negative infinite. For the numerator ni dia akan jadi negative outside here 1 plus 3 over x squared. And then below here you have a 2 minus 4 over x. Okay, later you substitute the infinite into the question, into your answer here. So you akan dapat negative 1 tambah kosong. Ya, 1 tambah kosong 1 lah kan. So dapat negative 1 here and 2 minus 0. So the answer will be equals to negative half. Okay, negative half. So the answer is a D. Okay. So once again, limit at infinite, there will be two cases. The first case is where you have polynomial and polynomials. The second case is where you have a set sama ada atas atau bawah, and then dia ada polynomial satu. So kalau ada set, kita akan bahagi dengan set lah. Okay, now let's look at the next question here where we have question number 5 here. What is the correct formula for the first principle of the derivative? Okay, so what is the formula for the first principle? So when you want to find the first principle, we have f prime x equals to limit f of x plus h okay, minus f of x divide by h as your h approach 0. Okay, as your h approach 0. Okay, so you were given that this is your f of x, and then if you have f of x plus h, then it will be square root of 8 times x plus h minus 3. Okay, so let's check the first one here. Okay, kalau you tengok B ni memang out lah sebab rumus dia ni adalah plus. So salah. Okay, so kita tinggal lagi A, B, C. Okay, kita tengok kalau the formula here, this is f of x plus h, we're going to substitute this one lah. Yes, kita akan substitute. Yang ni dah salah dah kat sini. So bukan. Yeah. So kita tengok D pun salah because dia salah kat sini. Sebab the first one here must be f of x plus h. So ni salah kat sini. Ya, salah juga. So jawapannya adalah C. Ya. This one is wrong. This one is wrong. So jawapannya adalah C lah. The correct one here. Okay. Okay, and then the next one here, yang ni you kena hafal lah. Hafal. Differentiate sine dapat apa, differentiate cos dapat apa, differentiate tangent dapat apa. Dia 3 kan. And then dia ada kembar dia lagi lah. Differentiate second, differentiate cosecant, differentiate cotangent. 3, 6 lah semua ya. So sekarang ni you were asked to find the derivative of f of x equals to tangent. So we want to differentiate this one. First kita tengok, when you differentiate tangent, you should get secant squared. Okay, you should get secant squared. Let's say for example we have pencet ni dia masalah sikit. Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so kita differentiate f tak mau tulis, tak keluar pula dah. Okay, differentiate tangent. Lepas tu angle tu dia mesti sama. Ya? This is f prime x. Differentiate tangent dapat secant squared kan. Secant squared, angle ni salin je dulu. Sama sebiji. And then you differentiate in the bracket the angle here. Differentiate the angle, kita akan dapat 2. Yeah, so kita akan dapat 2. So you will have a 2 here. So 2 secant squared of 3 pi plus 2x. So the answer will be C. Okay, we place C here. Okay, Okay, once again, differentiate tangent, you get secant squared. Copy down everything, the angle, and differentiate the angle, you get 2. So you put it in the front here. 2 secant squared, 3 pi plus 2x. part is considered as constant. So when you differentiate, you get 0. Okay, so this one here. Okay, number 9 here. So we can use the quotient rule in this case here. Or you may use a product rule. It's up to you lah. Nak pakai apa ya. Okay, kata kalau cikgu nak pakai, kita try apa? Kita try. Kalau you nak pakai product rule, you kena naikkan ke atas lah. Kalau tak mau, boleh pakai quotient rule. Ya. Okay, kalau pakai quotient rule, U here will be equals to X. U prime here equals to 1. And V equals to 1 minus E to the power of 1 here. 1, this is 1. Minus E to the power of 2X. Dia tak mau keluar pula saya punya pen ni. Ya Allah. Okay, so 1 minus E to the power of 2X. So when you differentiate here, you will have negative 2E to the power of 2X. Yeah. Okay, now using the quotient rule, so our G prime X will be equals to V U prime, which is 1, minus U. V prime will be equals to negative 2E to the power of 2X. And then below here, this is a V squared. So 1 minus E to the power of 2X. And then you have a squared here. Okay. So kita akan simplify lah. Simplify. Yang atas tu dapat apa? Tak muat dia cikgu tulis ni. So you have 1 minus E to the power of 2X. And then plus 2x e to the power of 2x, and then below here you have 1 minus e to the power of 2x, and then you have a square here. So ada tak yang tu? Bawah dia 1 minus e to x to the power of 2. Yang ni salah lah sebab dia ada 2 ya. Okay. Ni salah bawah. Pen cikgu ni dia aduh ya Allah. Ni bawah ni salah. Yang A tu salah A salah, lepas tu D juga salah sebab dia ada 2 tu dalam kita punya tu salah. Nanti kena pasang kat Dr. Asyawati lah ni. Cikgu punya pen ni tak berjalan dah ni. Okay, so A cancel, B cancel. You all cancel lah. Cikgu tak boleh nak guna dah ni pen ni. Kenapa tiba-tiba dia tak ni. Okay, so kalau kita check kita punya jawapan 1 minus E to the power of 2X plus 2X E to the power of 2X. So jawapannya B. Ya, ni jawapannya B. Okay. So mungkin Dr. Asyawati boleh sambung kot. Boleh ya? Okay. Sat cikgu stop lah. Sebab pen duk asyik duk problem je pen ni.
Okay okay, kerana pen problem apa ni saya sambung lah. Okay, setakat mana nanti ada kawan lain lagi yang tukar-tukar ni kira macam santai revision. Anything aja simple je, kita tak nak serius. Okay, jadi okay, saya share screen. Okay, panaskan saya ni Okay, dia ni kan. Tadi Puan Nik continue number up to number 7. Jadi saya continue number 8. Number 8. Okay. Find the derivative of fx. Okay, find derivative. Okay, derivative means that find f prime of x for this one. So normally, okay, you remember if this one, if given y is equal to ln x squared, let's say x squared minus e 5x, right? Direct, so dy dx terus 1 over the whole set, 5x, and differentiate this one, 2x minus e power 5x and 5. Okay, and then the answer is this one. So now given log to the base 2. This one is base e base e. Okay, why base e? So actually ada something lagi 1 over log to the base e. That's why can be cancel, this one can be cancel. Jadi ni sini actually mana nak tunjuk you all ni. Ni. Okay, this one over semua. Okay, turun darjat 1 over. Then differentiate here. This will differentiate. The next step, okay, times 1 over ln e. Okay, ln e, and it is equal to 1. Okay, ln. Okay, this is ln. Okay, let's say here. Okay, yang ini. Okay, if you not sure, tak sure katakan tak sure. Okay, kita buat macam ni, tak sure fx change to ln base base ln. Okay, let's say dia tak sure dia punya okay formula over ln 2 change the base exponent. Okay, now ln 2 is a constant. Okay, f prime of x, this is constant. Just differentiate this part ni. Consider of variable. So dia turun darjat, right? Okay, 1 over x squared minus e power 5x. The next step, differentiate the whole set ni. Kat sini, kat sini. Yang tadi tu, the first is 1 over 4 ln. Now here pula ni. Okay, here inside. So differentiate x squared to x. Okay, and e means that copy because of kembar. And differentiate 5x, 5. And then, okay, and this one, settle. And rearrange 2x minus 5e 5x over ln 2 x squared minus e 5x. So check So actually for this one, yang ini ln 2 this one actually ln e yang the tadi can be cancel, right? Ln e is equal to 1. So this one cannot be cancel. So how to remember that one? Kalau you berdarab okay, let's say yang ini kita follow yang this part yang ini kita change the base to base e. Okay, kalau you pun nak buat direct kata ini, okay, kita buatlah 1 over this one, and last kali is ln 2 log 2 lah. Okay, so mana ni tak ada log okay, between this okay, say let's say you tengok this is minus and dia punya answer pun macam minus. In minus, kalau at the first step mesti this one ni, kalau you tengok you tak sure, this is not the answer. This is also not the answer. Why? Because of the initial is negative. It cannot be to change to positive. So this is not either A or C. Yeah, the correct answer between A and C. Okay, jadi between this, kalau tengoklah, it cannot be like this plus, tak akan. Okay, so between this one, this is involve log. Okay, so dia cannot be cancelled because kalau even ln e baru settle ln e so mesti ada log juga lah, log tu kalau you nak test lah. This is the first step macam ni. The second step double check, nak guess nak guess this is one the nak reconfirm this is the answer dia kan. Ni lah mesti ada ln, mesti ada something log to base e, something lah. Okay, log 2 actually log 2. Okay, jadi inilah dia tak akan jadi single macam ni. Ini kalau the soalan is macam ni, right? Ni soalan macam ni. Okay, The base is, dia punya long is base E. Answer ni. Okay, but this is base 2. Answer dia is C. Settle Okay, kita try double kan. First, cara biasa, saya nak same like proper sikit. The second is alternative to reconfirm the chosen answer is correct or not. Okay. The next is number 9. Number 9, it's okay lah because actually this is not in the syllabus, but it's okay. Kita tahu kan, interval which is decreasing. So means that when the interval decreasing, we need to find a dy dx or f prime of x. Okay, or just sketch graph. You can sketch graph. I say, I'm not sure lah. This one what to do. Okay, sketch the graph. Sketch the graph. F x. This is quadratic, right? Okay, and then this is really try use of EQN, find the root. Okay, or let's say it cannot be find, you use competence square. Now simple je, big bracket square minus bracket plus 5. So just concentrate ni. Inside ini adalah x minus 2 minus 2. Okay, yang ni check ni. This one divide by 2. Okay. And then x minus 2 minus 4 plus 1. So plus 1. Okay. The minimum or maximum, this is smiling graph. Smiling graph. Why? Because of that one is A dia ni positif. Dia punya point is ini 2, 1. Ni kan. Check ni 2, 1. So the graph, the sketch graph. Okay, sketch graph at the point 2, 1. The graph is smiling graph, or you can check what happened when x is equal to 0. Okay, when x is equal to 0, substitute 0 in square ni. Square, double check. Betul. Okay, when x is equal to 0, 4, 5. Dia cut intercept y axis at 5. So the petik macam ni. The graph is like this, and this is the part. Okay, this symmetry, right? Symmetry ni is happen when this one, when x is equal to 2. Okay, so this part is decreasing into. Okay, and this part is increasing. So from here it was that decreasing. So decreasing is here the blue, this is the blue region. See, okay, sini sini. So from negative infinity, okay, to 2. So the answer is B. This one you find this one using by sketching the graph. So let's say you're going to check the proper working. Okay, so involve the decreasing and increasing means you need to differentiate the function. Okay, write the function first. Fx. Okay, x square minus 4x plus 5. Okay, nak double check. And f prime of x is equal to 2x minus 4. And see what happened when this one is equal to 0. 0. Okay, to x. Okay, so x is equal to 2. Okay, and then, okay, from here, okay, to number line. This is 2. Positive infinity. Negative infinity. Okay, so this one double check. Okay, because you have time, right? And this is f prime of x. Okay, so here the interval from negative infinity to 2 to positive infinity. And this one, take this f prime of x. Okay, choose one number here. Let's say here is 1 lah. 1, substitute. 2, substitute sini 2, 1 minus 4. So 2 minus 4 is negative. And choose one number here. Let's say 3 lah. 3 substitute 3, 6 and positive. So this one is decrease. Decrease. And the other one is increase. Here is the decreasing interval happen when from negative infinity to 2. Yes, this is the answer dia. So without using the proper way and you just cash the quadratic, second the answer. This one you have 2 lah. At least confirm answer is B. Okay, settle. Number 10. Number 10 is what is my pen? Okay. For what value of x that function, okay, this is cubic, has a local minimum. This one, if you sketch graph, but this is cubic. The graph is maybe similar S, kan? Like similar S, it has maximum or minimum, or something like the graph is something like this, simple je, macam gitu ya. Okay, inflection point. Okay, this is in the syllabus lah. Okay, so now for this one, local, minimum, maximum, relative, maximum, minimum. So in this is in chapter 10. Chapter 10, critical point. Still remember, okay, tengok dia punya context based memory, right? Oh, this is in chapter 10. Chapter 10, local minimum means that differentiate je. Differentiate and is equal to 0. Okay, and differentiate. Okay, f prime of x, 3x squared minus 18x minus 1 to 0 is equal to 0. So this one is equal to 0. Ini, it means that prime x is equal to 0. Either maximum or minimum. And then because of 3 ni, this one factorize, factorize 3 x squared minus 6x minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, you have two values for x. Maybe one maximum or one minimum. Okay, and then okay, and here is x 40. 40 means that 4 and 10, right? Okay, 4 and 10. Okay, and 10. This is 10, not 6. Okay, negative, positive. Okay, so 40 negative, 4. Okay, this one. So x is equal to negative 4 or x is equal to 10. You have two values, 10 and negative 4. Okay, so this one, you want to check which one produce maximum, minimum point. So you have two methods. First is using first derivative. Yang number line semua, right? You buat number line macam ni kan. I just show you. Okay, infinity. Just show you. Okay, kita recall balik. Yang ini, number line macam ni. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, just show you. Which one easy, right? Okay. This one is from negative infinity to negative 4. Okay, negative 4, 10. 10 to infinity, positive. And this is f prime of x, and this is the graph. So choose one number. Okay, sini. Let's say here is negative 5 lah. Okay, to the left, the least number, right? The smallest number to the left. To the right is the greatest number. So negative 5 ni substitute here. Okay, don't take this one. This one is, you need to substitute one by one. Just choose this one. Okay, substitute. See here ni. Sini. Okay, so 5, negative 5, this one negative. So negative times negative, positive. Then choose this one. Okay, say that 0 lah. Tapi actually better take the nearest number, negative 3. Better, tapi it's okay. 0. Okay, 0 here. 0, so positive. Okay, here is negative. So negative. Okay, choose this one. Let's say 11. 11, so positive. 11 positive. So positive. Okay, just want to show you the interval that is decrease and increasing. Okay, from that you can determine the maximum minimum, right? This is increase positive, decrease, increase. So at this point, this is maximum. This is minimum. Okay, maximum, minimum. This is maximum. This is minimum. So we want minimum. Minimum happen when x is equal to 10. Okay, when x is equal to 10. Find the what value, right? So the value is 10 actually. And this one using the right, no. Wait. This is x value. Value is f. No. No, the answer is, this is not answer. Okay. When x is equal to 10, find y. This one there. So f of 10. Substitute. 0 kan, right? Okay, tapi what? No, we substitute here. Not f prime x. F of x. Substitute. Okay. 10 minus 9. 10 minus 120. 10. This very big number. Check. It's very big number. Okay. So the answer is, you check. I think this one is, no, this is not one. Sorry. No. Wait. No, not that one. This is the local. I think this is not the one. The answer is X. Bukan Y. Okay. Find the value of X. Sorry. The value of X is 10. Confirm. Okay, this is very big number. Let's say, find the point of minimum. Yes, you need to find Y. Okay. So this is the first method. The second method, I think easier than this one, using the interval. Okay, since this is polynomial. Okay, first is find f prime of x. Yes, but yes, this one, right? Okay, is equal to 0. X is equal to, that's two answers for x, right? X is equal to 10. Then to check which one produce negative maximum or minimum, use the second derivative better than using this one. Why I not suggest you use this interval? Because of this is polynomial. Okay, better, it's easy for you to differentiate, right? Okay, so given that f prime of x, this is 3x squared minus 18x minus 120, right? Then f double prime, just differentiate for the second time, x minus 18, right? And then substitute. Okay, f double prime negative 4. Substitute negative 4 minus 18. Of course, this one is negative. When f double prime of 10, substitute minus 18. Of course, this one more than 0, right? 60 minus 18. So this is maximum, less maximum, the opposite, right? Okay, how to remember maximum minimum? When less, okay, less than 0, maximum. Greater than 0 is minimum. This is actually the opposite. Okay, so the value of x, okay, the value of x okay, is minimum when x is equal to 10. Yang ini. Okay, so no need to find points. No need to find y lah. Okay, this is for number 10. Okay, so between the two methods, choose this one for polynomial. Okay. So the next is settle for part A. Proceed to part B. Okay, part B, complex number. Z be a complex number. When mention complex number, you have to remember complex number. Complex number consists of A plus BI. Okay. Z equals A plus BI. That one we call complex number, or Z is equal to X plus YI. Either one. Okay. That is complex number. A given, this one is modulus. Modulus or R is equal to 4. And this one is argument. Argument or theta, argument of Z is equal to 5/6 pi. Then Z is equal to what? Okay, Z is equal to A plus BI, or Z is equal to X plus YI. So we want Z, okay, using the given modulus and argument. So this one is, you just think what to do, how to do. Okay, for complex number, the hardest is polar form, right? Okay, write the polar form. Okay, R cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the hardest for complex number lah. Not the hardest, we call the highest level. Even the highest level is complex polar form at your level. Okay, then okay, substitute. Oh, R is equal to 4. Okay, cos 5 pi over 6 plus I sin pi over 6. Sin 5 over 6 pi. Okay, and then check. Okay, check which one kita boleh cancel or kan. Okay. Okay, settle, continue dulu. Okay, check the angle given. The angle given, if you cannot see clear in radian, change to degree. Change to degree. Now you can see clearly which quadrant. Okay, which quadrant actually. And let's say I change to degree because I say better nampak clear, right? Okay. Or actually this is more than half. Okay, more than half pi. Pi is this is pi. Okay, from this given, okay, 5/6 means that something somewhere lies in the second quadrant. But to reconfirm, change to degree. Change to degree. Pi, actually pi is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so how to change to degree? I write here, okay. Pi 180 degree. 5/6 pi means 5/6 times 180, right? And I cancel 30, 150. Okay, so now 150 confirm lies, okay, 150. This is theta. Okay, the complex number lies in the second quadrant. So Argand diagram, okay, kat sini lah. See. Okay, for in the second quadrant, and check, the second quadrant for sign positive, for cos negative. This one positive, negative. So check, suppose this one is part real, right? Okay, here. This is ada I. Okay, complex, right? So, okay. So tengok, maybe here is cancel. This is not the answer. Maybe this is not the answer. This is not. So why? Because of this one consists of negative. Okay. So actually kita check, double check, and suppose sign is positive. They may be between A and C. This one. And check lagi. Okay. And then next is just take your calculator. You have calculator, right? Okay. Just substitute cos 5 pi over 6. Cari je. 5 pi over 6. Berapa? Okay. So for me, okay, I don't have calculator, right? Here is basic angle 30. Cos 30 is, I think, 3/2. Ni dah baca And plus I, sin 30 is 1/2. Okay. So, but the second quadrant, is supposed negative. For cos negative. Okay. You just take calculator, substitute the angle. No need to change to degrees. Okay. Just, but change to mode, radian mode. Okay. Radian mode. And cari cos. Okay. Bracket 5 pi over 6. Okay. So sekarang tak mau change to radian, change to degree. And then fine. So ini, and then expand. This is negative. Cancel. This is, silap. No. Salah lah tadi kita. Okay. Because of this is cos, negative. This is not the answer. This one is not the answer. Opposite. Okay. Because of this is negative. This is positive. Between this. Betul Tak apa, it's okay. Kita just try an error kan. Cancel negative 2, 3. And cancel plus 2i. Check. Okay, this one. The answer is B lah. The answer is B. Okay. And because of cos kan. Cos is negative lah. Sini negative. So, pangkal. Okay, double check. Confirm. Check lagi. Confirm. And how to check nak reverse kan. Nak reverse pula. Okay, macam mana nak reverse. Tapi, okay. You want to, kita check. Nak reverse sini 1 plus 4. Nak check, nak double check our answer is correct not right. Ini kita check this one dulu Ini is negative 3, 1. And R is square root 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 is equal to 2. This is not the answer. Okay. Check lagi because dia punya ni is 4 right. Okay. And check this one sama lah. Tak boleh buat apa. Between this one Kan check lagi lah. Kena check angle. And satu lagi. No. Given check angle. Theta. Argument. Okay. This is 150. It lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant for this is part cos right. Ni part cos. So cos should be negative. Negative lah ni. Okay, between this right. So this will cancel. So this is the answer. Nak check kita take the option and test. Okay, kita bukannya tembak kita test. Okay, for kata apa? Nak second view lah, alternative. And kita pastikan make sure kita punya option, the chosen option, okay, benar-benar correct answer. Benar-benar, okay. This is the punya method lah. First kali, okay, proper. This is proper. Yang ini proper punya. The second proper is, second not very proper. Okay, check dia punya ni, modulus. Take because this one sama right. Okay, sama. Take this one yang problem, yang extreme. Kan kata extreme. Kan extreme is not answer because of extreme. Okay, the answer between this. And check lah. Okay. And settle. Yang the important is check the argument juga. And then the point to the graph to lies in which quadrant. Tengok check juga. Okay, settle for number 1. Number 2, okay, log. Okay, number 2, log. Okay, tak apa. Log, this is log. Okay. The property, the law of the log. Okay. This one, you buat macam ni. Log M N is equal to log M plus log N. The formula is given, right? Okay. So, this is consider M. M. Then this is consider N. It's just different color. And looks green. It's okay. Okay. And blue plus yellow, green. Okay. And then this is from right to left. Because of log, it can be left to right, right to left. Okay. And then from right to left. So log, okay, M. This is M. M. This is M. A over B times log N. N times, this is N. B over A. Then is equal to log A plus B. And this can cancel, can be log 1. Okay, is equal to log A plus B. Okay, so you cannot say that, oh, this is 0. No, because of actually, and then you cannot cancel. Okay, oh, this can cancel. No, since this log is equal, so whatever inside the bracket supposed equal. That's the correct concept. Not you cancel and leave 1 and equals A plus B. No. Okay. Okay, the idea is whatever inside the bracket equal. Okay, answer is this one. Okay, so A plus B is equal to 1. Jadi macam mana nak check? Okay, let's say check. The easiest this one lah. Okay, substitute. Okay, so log A over A plus log A over A. Change A, B to A. Okay, equals log A plus A. This one A over A, 1. Log 1 is equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to log 2A. So this is not the answer. This one not suggested because of this complicated, right? So use this one formula law and get the answer. Okay, you break, you nak substitute, okay, substitute because it's complicated juga. Okay, nak ni. Okay, settle for number 2. Okay, very big number. Number 3 ni. Okay, it's okay, cool. P minus Q over PQ. Okay, it's equal to A plus B sub 3. Substitute. Or no, substitute dulu. Okay, substitute dulu. P minus Q over PQ is equal to 1 minus 3 sub 3. Just substitute. Minus 2 over sub 3 over 1 minus 3 sub 3. 2 minus sub 3. Okay. Then expand. 1 minus 2 minus 3 sub 3 minus plus sub 3. This one, how to get rid of this? Expand. Try expand. Ini 2 minus 2 sub 3. This one is minus 6 sub 3. So minus positive sub 3 3 times 3 9. Okay, 9. Then simplify. This one 1 minus 2 negative 1. Same like negative 3x plus x, right? So minus 2 sub 3. 2 11 minus 8 sub 3. Same like negative 2x minus 6x. So negative 8x. And so still not complete because of this one is need to change to in this form. Okay. So check which one problem. Check option dulu. Kan? The difference only negative, positive, positive. So confirm between A, B, one correct answer. Confirm between that one. Between this, between C and D. Okay, between C and D, confirm one. Okay, confirm because of this one is okay sama, difference sama. Okay, the difference only negative. So we're not sure. Okay, because we have 4 possibility. Okay, and cari lah kan. Tak apa, cari. Time is conjugate. 11 plus 8 sub 3. 11 plus 8 sub 3. Okay, I always thinking about to use trick. So for the second view lah. The second view to check, to confirm your chosen is correct. Okay. First kita follow all the rules the proper way. The second is use the trick or tips. Okay. This one negative 11 negative 8 over 3 ni negative 22 sub 3. This one with this negative 16 times 3. 16 times 3 is 48. Okay, it's okay, rendah. And this one, the 11 squared, 121 minus 864 times 3. Okay, you can use calculator. Okay, this is negative 59. Right? This one is negative 53. Check. Which one salah? 8, 16. 16 times 3 is 48. Okay, is it plus positive? Wait. It's okay, kita go dulu. It's okay. Tak apa. Negative 559. It's okay, tak apa. Divide dulu. Maybe. Tak apalah. Okay. 30 sub 3. Okay. I think I do careless mistake here. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, kita tengok next calculator. Calculator lah. Okay. I still something 2 over sub 3. 1 betul. 11. Wait 11. Sini wrong, careless mistake here. This is 2. Is it 6? Wait 2, 1. Ni careless. Sini careless. Okay. This one is 2 negative. Okay. This one is negative 6, positive 9. So, okay. Baru ya. Padam. Sometimes careless mistake. Double check. That's why because okay. How I detect? Because of this one is I got 59. This is 53. And double check. And then this is 11. Still 11. Minus 7 sub 3. So the conjugate is 11 plus 7 sub 3. 11 plus 7 sub 3. Double check. Okay, so now this is negative 11, negative 7 sub 3. Then here is negative 22 sub 3 and negative 14, negative 14, 14 times 3. 40 times 40, 42 is it 42? Rendah dulu. Okay, and check later. Okay. This is 11. 11, 121 square minus 49. Nanti because Untitled. Okay, kita check. So here, okay, negative 1153. Negative 53 minus 29. Set 3. This one, okay, use calculator. Since this one is, let's see, use calculator. 26, 26, 26, 26, 26, 26. I guess this is also 26. Okay, tak apa, it's okay. Kalau kita reverse balik. 26. So, according to the answer, 53 over 56 for A. Okay. Negative 53 over 26. 26. And then 29 over 26. Set 3. Suppose this is A. A seem like this one. Okay. B. Negative 29. Looks like this one. So the answer is, of course, A. Okay, this answer is A. Okay, why the answer is B? Double check. Why did I get this mistake again? The answer is B. Double check. The answer is B. Why? Check. Okay, memang 26. Check ini. Ini and ini. Ni produce negative. Ni. Yelah, take calculator check lah. Okay, take calculator lah. Mana? Okay. Okay, 11. Main redha je kan. Okay, minus 49. Negatif. Negatif. Salah. Okay, negatif. Besides this positif. Positif. So, between this lah tadi. Ni lah jawapan dia, cancel. Okay. Itulah lain kali. Check. You have calculator. Check calculator lah. Ni. Track kat sini. Okay. So, this one answer dia. Jadi, kita check. Boleh buat second view. Second alternative. Dia punya alternative. Let's say kalau you substitute sini. Not working. Because this is the answer dia. Tak working. So you need to use substitute juga. And find. And mesh. Answer dia. Okay, so not working. For second view. Tak nampak. Tak clear. Nampak. You need to use same like this jugalah. Tak fill inside. Okay, but make sure tadi your first time saya salah, right? Okay, because of I don't get 53. Get 59 kan. Mesti ada careless mistake lah. Kita detect and then kita redo. Redo and dapat. Make sure dapat. And between negative positive lah. You kena alert yang ni lah. Yang saya ni, yang bawah ni tadi. Saya tak alert tadi. Kita dapat. Okay. Settle for that number. The next number. Number 4. Baru number 4. It's okay Okay, kita go slow, bit slow. Okay. This one. Tak apa. Kita buat yang proper dulu. Lepas tu kita boleh substitute. Use option, substitute. Use calculator. Substitute nama value. Okay, tak apa, it's okay. Kita buat proper dulu. Okay, the proper one. Okay. Ini, check. 2x square. Ini. Yang this one ini. Can be written like this. Okay. Then, it's equal to 2 power x minus 1. So, this one is same. X. 2 power x. And then, let 2 power x ni is equal to u. Okay, substitute here. So, 2u squared is equal to 3u minus 1. Quadratic. 2u squared minus 3u minus 1 is equal to 0. Factorize. Okay, cara biasa. Okay, and then factorize 1. Ini is it can be factorized or not? 1. Kenapa tak dapat? Okay. You can use calculator. You can use calculator and check. Mana I check? Ini 2, 3 and then plus. That's why I detect tak dapat. Baru dapat. Negative. This is plus. Okay, it cannot be factorized because that what is bring to here is negative. And then u is equal to 1 over 2 or u is equal to 1. What's u? 2 power x. 2 power 91. 2 power x. This 1 is equal to 2 power 0. Therefore, x is equal to 91 or x is equal to 0. Okay, so the answer is here. A. The answer is A, is it? The answer is A. No. No. Negative. Check. Okay. Okay, confused tadi. This answer is ni negative. And then check. I answer A. Salah. Kan? That's why we need double check. Alternative. Okay, alternative. You boleh substitute manually. Okay, masukkan ini manually. Okay, so masukkan ni 2 power 0 is 1. 3 2 power 0 is 1 minus 1. 2 equals 2. Betul. 0 confirm betul. That is not 0, right? Tapi it's okay. This is dia punya calonnya. Okay, ini betul. Check 1. When x is equal to 1, substitute. 2 power 2 is 4. 1 kan? Is equal to 3, 2 minus 1. This is 8. This is 7. Bukan, this is not the answer. So this is not the answer lah. Confirm. So between, yang ni je lah. Ni je option. Okay. Itu senang. Or you can substitute in the formula in the calculator. Kalau nak lah. Tapi kena buat 2. Okay, bracket 2 power 2 x is a variable, right? Use calculator alpha x and close minus 3 2 power x alpha every time variable, right? Alpha plus 1. Okay, and then find calculate and they ask what is x. Substitute x is equal to 0. Ni. Okay, answer should be almost 0. Why? Because we need to change this one to general form. You can change to general form. 2x minus 3, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So yang ni, substitute in calculator. And then answer suppose almost 0. And then substitute lagi for 1. Is it almost 0 or not? If not, it's not the answer. And substitute lagi 91 and half and 2. Just in formula once saja. And cari. Okay, but it's easy. Easy equation. Just manually lah. Senang. Manually masuk and jelas. Guna ni dari nampak clear. Ni double check lah. Oh, ni dulu. Ni double check. Macam tu lah. So you ada alternatif. Nak jawab betul ke tak? Soalan ni dah number 4 part B. Dapat dah 1.5 dalam tangan kan? Settle. Okay, number 5. Okay, number 5 is complicated. Okay, nak test kalau kata alah not enough time, but this is number 5 kan? Number 5 you have more about 60 minutes lagi kan, ataupun 30 minutes, 45-50 minutes kan lagi, kan nak tembak kan. Buat dulu ni. And then ada kan dia punya formula. When let's say x less or equal a, okay, this one change to define as negative a, right? This 1 point. And then so this is x. So this is x. Tak kat sini. X. So 4x squared minus 8x plus 3 Okay. So this is negative A. This is A. Change to negative A. Okay. So this is negative 1, 1. Okay. And then because of this one is in the middle, need to separate to two parts. This one first and also this one. Okay. And okay. Connection dia and. Instead there's a overlap. And this is yang proper way. Yang ini 4x squared minus 8x plus 3. This part, okay. So, okay, 4x squared minus 8x plus 3 less or equal 1. Okay, then this is quadratic, right? You can write this one lah. 4x squared minus 8x bring here to here is positive 4 more or equal. Macam ni This one bring to, okay, this one. 4x squared minus 8x plus 2 less than 0. Factorize or simplify x squared minus 2x plus 1. This one is 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. Okay. Okay, let's say this is can be factorized. Or x minus 1 square more or 0. This part settle dulu. Settle dia on the left hand side. Kalau let's say you tengok this one, study the case. Okay, this is graph quadratic, smiling graph. Okay, and the graph is like this. 1, 0. Something like this. Then this is the equal root, right? 1. So all the graph above x-axis and only including 0. So here is answer is real numbers. X is real numbers. Okay. Settle for this part. Real numbers. From negative infinity to infinity. Substitute whatever value for x. It produce minimum 0 and positive 1 because of square. Okay, power of 2, right? Okay, for this part, okay, try factorize cannot. You use calculator. Okay, you calculate and give answer. I just test because of this one sama nampak ni sama. So I can say the root is okay, because sama nampak sama. Ada use calculator Okay, sama ni. Oh, 1 di sini. Tapi it's okay. Sama je. This is quadratic. X is equal to x minus 2. Cara apa nak cepat. Okay, and also x minus positive 2 plus 2 over 2 less or equal 0. Okay, if use atau macam ni. Okay, let. Sekejap. Cara yang senang quadratic use formula, use graph. Okay, use graph quadratic. This is smile graph. The graph is smile graph. Okay, and this is you use calculator, right? Okay, calculator dia also x is equal to this one first and this one. So this is confirmed lah because of 2 minus, right? Ni 2 plus bigger than this. See? Okay, then check lagi. All this thing is less than 0. So this part, kita nak this part less than 0. Between this to this, I just guess this one. B. Okay, B. Okay, between this. Why? Actually, this is n. And since on the one side is real numbers, Okay, this side is only limited restricted answer. So just choose this answer saja. Yang ni ignore because of the numbers. Okay, so guess the answer is ini. Kalau you can see, this one shows this part ni, yang ni, kawasan ni. Okay, satu. Okay, and one, why one? Why you got one? This one just like, okay, and then choose, and then after that kita revise kan, and to choose number. Let's say you choose, okay, kita nak try. Okay, nak try ni. Check. Okay, yang ini you carilah 2 minus 2 over 2. Agak-agak berapa? Okay, because of let's say in decimal lah. Nampak clear, right? 2 minus 2, 2 minus 1.4 something divide by 2. Is it 0 something? Something like that lah kan. Okay, and then yang ini if you change the number line, kata ini kan, from negative infinity just choose one number. Let's say you ambil 0 lah. 0, substitute dalam ni. 0, 0, 3. So 3, no, this is not, bukan lah. 3 more than, greater than 1, right? Salah. Satu. Atau you choose one number kat sini. Let's say you choose ini 2 plus 1.3 something. Dah choose 5 lah. 5. Substitute 5 kat sini. 5, 25, 100. 100 minus something. Maknanya confirm more than 1. So this is not the answer. Okay. Yang this one, 1. Okay, okay. This one buat ni dulu ni. Ni. Okay, check because it's very limited kan. Ni. You cari 2 minus, check 2 minus 2, okay, divide by 2. The answer is, ni 0.29291. Senang. Very limited. Okay, ambil lah 0.5, substitute dalam ni. 0.5, substitute. 1 over 4, 1. Okay, 1 over 2, 4. 1 minus, okay, 1 minus 4 plus 3, 0. Okay, 0. Okay, this is very, this one very what? Small region, small what we call? Dia punya ni limit, limited kan? Limited ni value for x. This is inside, just inside this interval I think. There's something yang very small number. Let's say kalau yang ini dia punya number line kat sini katakan. So this one only sikit je kawasan ni. Of course betul. Okay, within this domain kan, ambil sikit. Okay, so ini dia tak cover all. The answer is not cover all. Yang this part ni problem. Okay, actually kalau you tengok betul-betul. Okay, this one. Okay, 2 minus 2 over 2 here included 2, 1. Okay. This is 0 point something kan. Then 1, 2, 2 plus 2 over 2. This one also straight, right? Kalau ikut betul-betul, this one also straight from ini to ini. Actually dia sama. Okay, soalan ni confusing. Option je confusing actually. Okay. Actually for me, this one also betul because saya sama. Bukan because of overlap ni. Tak ada masalah. But actually people yang ni lah. Tapi this one a bit confusing. Kalau you overlap betul-betul, memang included lah. Tapi because of this one is overlap. Okay, tapi so this one avoid confusing kan. So choose this one. Number 5. Number 6. Number 6 also Okay, tak apa, kita proper dulu. Yang not proper, substitute the value dalam ni. Okay, tapi you need check. Check betul-betul okay, kita stop until number continue nanti kemudian Ini, this one. Okay, first thing this is negative quadratic. Change to positive. Senang kerja. Change to positive. X squared plus 5x minus 6 over x minus 3. Bring to one side, of course less or equal 0, right? Okay, and okay, ini factorize. Okay, 6 plus x minus 1. Check. Okay, this is positive. Okay, don't leave denominator. Okay, and you have let more than 0. Let okay, x minus 1 more than 0, and x this is not included 0 3 not included, and then x more than negative 6. Okay, x more than or equal 1, x more than 3. Do number line, arrange negative 6 the least number to the left, the smallest number to the left. Okay, make sure arrange properly arrange, and then check. Oh, this is negative 6 included. Line shows positive, no line negative. Okay, here is included. Okay, line shows positive, no line negative, and here is not included, positive, negative. So here negative, positive, negative, positive, and check. We want less than everything less than 0 is negative. So this one. Okay, this one. So the answer is negative infinity to negative 6 included, union 1, 2, 3 not included. Mesh. Answer, this is not. Okay, no. This is no. No. This one okay. Maybe okay. This one no. This one no. This one also no. The answer is D. Okay. So the answer is D. Kita check. Okay. Okay, the answer is D. Yes, this correct answer D. So D. And how to check? Okay, let's say you want to check manually. This is second punya kita nak buat kan. So here is negative 6, 1. Sini jawapan dia. Dia punya answer ni. Answer union 3 to infinity included. Sini. Okay, take one number. Substitute. Take one number. Substitute. You can use this one. Ini. Nampak lebih cantik. Cepat sikit. You can use this one. Okay. And let's say choose. Here is 0. 0. Take 0. Substitute 0. 0. Negative. Negative 6. Negative 6. Negative 3 is 2. 2 more than. So bukan. This is not the answer. Of course no lah. For all. Okay. And this part pula. Yang ini. This one no lah. Because no. Of course no, right? Relax. So between this ni dengan ni sama. If you check okay, kalau you check the pattern, tengok ni, so equal, right? Yang equal. This part also equal. Okay. So the difference only yang ini include 3, exclude. Problem check at 3. This one is 3. 3 also check when x is equal to 3. Substitute. Okay, substitute 3 here. So when x is equal to 3, tengok ni, then jelas clear x not equal to 3. 3 not included. So confirm this is not the answer. This is also not the answer. Between this one A and B and so tadi just choose one number, cancel right. And this is the answer T. Double check. Nak continue sini? Okay. So, okay. Number 7. Okay, number 7. Okay. Okay. Given. Okay. Okay, this one quite tough. Check ni dulu. Ni. Check yang this one dulu Ni. Range for G. Domain G. This is domain for G. Range for G. So from here, you tengok. This is range for G. Range for G. Range for G only -1, 0, 1 and 2. So this is not true. Angka. Okay. So tengok option. Check option dulu. Tengok option. Of course lah nak true number tu. Tengok tak ada. Apa buat? Kau tak ada right? Okay, tak apa. Kita go to yang mana lagi senang. Okay. Kita try ni. Try. Let's say kat sini is F. Is it this way F inverse? Kan? It's okay. Kita choose this one ni dulu ni. Take this one dulu. Dia senang Take this one. G of -1. G of -1 ni maps to 0. 0. So now we're going to find F inverse 0. Is it correct? Is equal to 2. F inverse 0. 0, kalau tengok ini F inverse 0, sini right? Kalau betul lah. Kan? So ini 1. Ini 2. Kan kita tengok ni, cuba tengok ni. Kita tengok. Ini statement 3. Statement 3 is F inverse -1 is equal to 2. Number 4, F inverse 0 is equal to 2. Okay, so either one ni mesti 1 correct. Okay, so kita tengok. Okay, between 3 and 4. Tapi between 3 and 4 ni confirm salah. Because either one correct right. Cuba tengok betul-betul. Kau tahu kan, tengoklah. Okay, ini tengoklah dulu kan. Suka je. -1, 2. 0, 2. Ada 1 salah right. This one also silap. Salah. Between 1 and 3. Kita check lah pula right. Tak apa, kita check lah. Sekejap, boleh teka lagi tak? Okay, ada test yang ni tapi it's okay. Nak show you juga kan how to do this. F of G of 3 is equal to 1. Ambil dulu this one, G of 3 is equal to -1. So, replace -1. F of -1. Kalau here, F of -1 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. So, betul. This one, betul. Okay. Either this one, 1 only or 1, 2, 3. That is our problem. 1 only or 1, 2, 3. So, from here, kalau you tengok, cannot be between this 1. Betul. Okay, because dia macam sama right. Okay, kau tengok ni betul. F of F inverse kan domain. Ni domain F, range F. Ni domain F inverse, range F inverse right. So -1 is equal to 2. Looks like this one is betul actually. So the answer is ni lah. B. I check the answer. Okay, betul. This one B lah. Okay, betul answer is B. Okay. Ni. wasting space right. Tak buat pun tak apa, tak ada. Penat fikir kan. Okay, the next number. Oh, it's already 4. Kita buat mana done there are another 12. Kan. Okay, ni. Cuba tengok. Oh, ni yang ni boleh teka dah Nak teka je kan doktor ajar teka. Teka lah. Tak apalah, kita buat cara biasa dulu. Okay, sometimes in the middle tu kita boleh guess dia punya jawapan kan. Okay, but tak apa. Kita substitute dulu 5 kat sini. 5, 5, 5. Substitute. So, here masuk dalam ni. Is equal to 5. Ini 5, 4 right? 2. The next step. Okay. Ni 2. See, substitute. Ni senang je. Tak payah buat lebih-lebih lah kan. And 3, 2 squared plus 5. Ini 4, 12 plus 5, 17. So, answer is 17 number. This one for number 8. I check. Number 17 B. Yang tak payahlah guna apa-apa trick ke tips ke because of direct soalan dia. Macam ni kau nampak dah kan? Clear. Nak tu juga. Direct kot no. Okay, direct Okay. Number 9. Ni. Mak oi. Kau check. Correct statement. Relate G. Ini dengan ini. G X is 1-to-1 function. Okay. G inverse does not exist. Okay, tak apa. Ni, yang senang lah. You dah tahu domain domain. Everything below sini, domain not equal to 0 right? X not equal -4. So, all domains yang sini, real numbers except -4. Ni kan. So, ini, yes, this is correct statement. Ni. So, kita ambil ini correct statement. Sekejap kita tengok. Kalau ikut ni, no lah kan? No, between this lah. Kalau this one is 1, betul dah. Tak payah tengok. Cuba tengok. Okay, number 4, statement 4 ni. Okay. Oh. Ya, ni pun also. Tengok betul baik. Yang matangkan ini, number 3 mesti betul. Dah betul. Okay, 1 tak payah tengok. Dia tengok ni je kan? 4. Okay, 4. Ini cara cepat. Kalau let's say graph dia susah pula kan sketch graph. Tak apalah, kita try tengok macam mana. Ini try to find the G inverse. Ni G inverse. Kita G inverse Okay, senang kerja kita. This is ke sini. Domain G, range G. Okay, tengok betul-betul kan. This one is G inverse. Domain G inverse, range G inverse. So, domain G is equal to range G inverse. Domain G is equal to range G inverse. Tak sama right? Tak sama. Of course, dia salah. So, means the answer is B lah kot. B je. Okay, number. So, 4 not included. Actually, yang ini, graph ini sebenarnya, this is memang 1-to-1. When 1-to-1, G inverse exists lah. Ni salah juga sebenarnya. Salah. Ni salah. Correct is 1 and 3. Okay, ikut betul-betul lah. Kalau you nak tengok, ni salah. Boleh pangkah dah. Tapi kita tak nak sure. Kita ambil yang betul benar-benar saja. Number this one. Number 10. Okay, number 10. Okay, long way to go. Kan. Yang ini ni. Find inverse. Find inverse. Okay. So inverse, kalau ikut macam ni, this is exponent Exponent, kalau inverse ni biasanya nombor ln lah. Kalau betul-betul di sini answer sebenarnya. Ln. Between this and this. Okay, dia punya partner, dia punya opposite mesti kalau inverse dia exponent get ln. Tu je, okay. So, tu saya kata to find inverse, for objective dia simple je, tak payah complicated, tak payah proper. No need to do proper yang f inverse x is equal to x, no need lah, because of kita nak tengok answer je, final answer. Working kita ignore, right? Okay, our aim is to write x as a subject. Itu je aim kita, tak payah fikir lain. Ini 1 over ex, saya direct ni 1 over ex. Now let, senang cerita, let u is equal to ex. Ni replace. Okay, and is equal to 2y u minus 1 over u. Okay, and creating the denominator, u squared minus 1. And u squared bring to one side, minus 2yu minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is quadratic. Quadratic, because we don't know the value of y, you cannot use EQN lah. Unless your calculator canggih, mungkin betul kot canggih boleh guna, right? Let's say I don't have lah calculator canggih. Saya guna the formula is given, right? The formula ingat tak macam ni? Yang x is equal to minus b plus minus ni discriminant ni over 2a. Okay, so kita guna this formula. Formula this, I think this will given given. Then now this one is x is now change to u. U is equal to negative this b b, this is c, a. Okay, 1, this one is b, this one is c. Substitute. Okay, so this positive lah. 2y plus minus b squared. So 4y squared. Ini negative 4 times 1, negative 4 times negative 1. So plus 4 over 2a2. Okay, and then cancel y plus minus. Ini 4, take 4 square root 4 is 2 and cancel and get y squared plus 1. Okay, dah nampak sikit, right? And u is equal to ex. So y plus minus y squared plus 1. To get rid of exponent, taking ln. X is equal to ln y plus minus third y squared plus 1. So this is considered f inverse. Change to variable x squared plus 1. So the answer is yang ni lah. Okay, kita choose the positive dia. From here dah choose. We want positive. For positive dia or negative, choose your positive. So this is the answer dia. Don't have to write. The answer is this one. Okay, check. Okay, this is the answer dia. Okay. Settle Dah, nak stop dah ni. Okay. Number 11. Okay, kita stop sampai kita habis sampai office tutup. Okay. Ini. Given. Okay, composite. Find GX. Okay. Guna ni, maksud ni, check. Senang je. Tapi one by one lah. So kita check. Yang ini same like sama kan? Opposite mesti one correct answer. One wrong. Okay. Yang ini macam jauh sangat, right? Okay. Tak apa. Kita buat. Kita proper dulu. G, F, X. Kita baik dulu. 1/, tapi ni 6L right? Nampak macam cube je ni. Tak apa, kita go dulu. Plus 1. Okay. Then F. Okay. Tak apa, substitute je lah. Ni. 3x minus 5. And then is equal to 1/6x minus 10 plus 1. Let. Cuba let. Let U is equal to 3x minus 5. And 3x is equal to U plus 5. X is equal to U plus 5/3. Ni cara. Okay. And then now GU. Change all variable U, right? Ni. Ni. Okay, ni change to X ni. Okay. And then 1/6 U plus 5/3. Okay. And dia sebenarnya banyak alternatif kan. Which is okay. Cancel ini. 1/6 2U plus 10. Okay. Minus 10 ni. Cancel. 2 right. Plus 1. Okay. So 1/2U plus 1. This is GU. Now change to variable X. So answer is GX is equal to 1/2X plus 1. Dan ni kan tadi. Okay. So the answer is this part. The number is okay. Ni. Atau this is dah siap settle. This is for do the second yang nak semak. Want to nak check, double check. Just take this one. Ni. Kat mana nak letak? Sinilah katakan G of F kan. Fx. So G Fx is 3x minus 5. Okay, so this is the ni you punya kan. So substitute ni to this. Substitute 1/2 3x minus 5 plus 1. Dapat 1/6x minus 10 plus 1. Sama. Double check. Okay. So not this one. The answer is A. Settle. Another 9 question to go ni. Okay. Kita go a bit fast lah. Okay. Kalau yang ini dia bagi to left to right. Yang ini okay. Kena define. Tapi before that substitute direct dulu. Kok lah tak dapat jawapan, right? This is kan kita jangan go tu lagi. Substitute. 9 plus 6 15 minus 0 over 0. This is indeterminate form. You kena buat. Memanglah this one you can define. X dulu x minus 3. Define semua-semua. Let's say because this one is x minus 3. You boleh buat line je. Okay, this is 3 right. Okay, ini to the right is positive x minus 3. To the left is negative x minus 3. Senang. Tak payahlah buat ni. Tak payah. Okay, ingat je. Kalau x dulu. To the right positive, to the left negative. If 3 minus x, baru terbalik ikut. To the left positive, to the right is negative for this one. And then left, right. We want this part on the left. Okay, tukar je, take this one. Okay. And so limit x approaches 3, tak payah tulisan. Okay, and factorize teruslah. Nak selamat ni. Ini minus 2 x minus 3 over this modulus change to negative x minus 3. Then cancel. Okay, and answer is limit x approaches 3 negative x minus 2, then substitute negative 3 minus 2 negative 1. Ada? Okay, this is negative 1. Answer is C lah. Okay, atau macam mana? Okay, kita substitute 0 dalam ni. 0, 0, 6. 6. Kita tak ada kan, macam mana nak tahu kan? Betul ke salah? Betul tak? Tak boleh. You masukkan ni, katakan 006. 6/3, 2. Tak nampak apa, tak dapat bantuan apa-apa. Tak ada apa-apa. Tengok ni. Cuba tengok ni, negative 1. Negative 1. 1 is 1, 12, right? 12/2. Tak dapat apa. No, cannot. You kena define juga lah. This one. Okay, kalau kena define, tu buat je lah kan. This is number 20. Number 13. Okay. Vertical asymptote. Vertical asymptote check. Okay. Actually dia check juga. Atas ni polynomial. That's why kita ignore je. Kita check yang poly yang as a denominator. Ini not equal to 0, right? Okay, quadratic factorize. And not equal to 0. So x not equal to -4 or x not equal to 4. You cannot say this vertical confirm lah. Kau tengok betul vertical. Mana ada this is horizontal. Tengok. Kalau tak check pun answer dia A je. Mana ada 3? Mana nak cari 3 saja tak ada kan. Oh ni tak ada. Okay, so you follow the domain. And ini. Dia tak adalah vertical mesti tegak. Ni kan x axis, this one y katakan. This vertical mesti at something. Okay, tapi okay, if given the option ada -4 ke, yang ni katakan x axis is -4 je. X equals -4. Yang ini x is equal to 4. This one is 4 and -4. You can check. Kita check lah. Okay, sometimes one of this one, okay, dia tak produce limit vertical. Something just a point sahaja. You can check. How to check? Guna limit lah. Katakan ini kan. -4, 4, all not included. Check lah ni. Check whether choose one lah. Choose one. You check, you ambil katakan -4 on the right lah. Katakan -3.999. Check masuk dalam -3.999. Yang ni ambil lah katakan 4.001. Check. Kalau dapat undefined ke undefined lah. Kalau dapat the number infinity, mana you want consider vertical. Okay. Yang ini. Okay. Yang nombor 14. 14 kan. Yang ini continuous at this one, B constant, calculate the values of A and B. Jadi for this one, okay, saya suka you all, memanglah kita guna ini is domain. Domain is 2 and 4. And here is less than 2 included. Function is A x squared minus 1. And this one is between 2 and 4 not included, bx minus 2. And yang ni lah. Okay, 4 included 6. So now dia kata this one, ini continuous from -2 sampai 6. Ni included lah. Find value of A and B. Okay, kalau you tengok betul-betul, ada kita boleh tak apalah, kita cari macam biasa dulu. When x is equal to, you tengok between 2 and 4. Yang 4 lebih mudah. Okay, sebab apa? Dia ada 6. Yang ini ada A and B. Okay, and for continuous, you need to follow 3 steps. First, mesti f of 4. F of 4 tengok, dia hitam kat sini. Answer is 6. Yang ke second is limit. To find the limit, okay, you can take, don't have to find limit on the left and the right. Take your opposite. Yang 4 dah taken. Ambil yang ni. So limit x approaches 4 from left, bx minus 6. Substitute, dapat 4b minus 6. Then the third continuous. Maknanya this one is equal. And then 4b minus 6 is equal to 6. 4b is equal to 12. B is equal to 3. Check. Is it B is equal to 3? Oh, tak ada. Salah. Kat mana salah? Tak ada choice. Confirm kita salah. Saya salah. Okay, careless. For B, T6 pula ni. Itu kita boleh detect Kita boleh detect kat mana kita silap because of not in the option. Itu bagusnya objective right. Kalau subjektif kita tak sedar Ni, tu. Kenapa jadi 6? Is 2. Baru ada. So this is not the answer. This is not answer. Between ni and ni. Kan you nampak dia tukar negatif positif kan? Still need to find when x is equal to 2. Yang ni pula. And first is f of 2. F of 2 hitamnya then circle here. So take this one. A2 squared minus 1 is equal to 4a minus 1. The second is limit. And check limit take from right lah. Because of left dah ambil. Take this one. Bx minus 2. Bx minus 2. Check Bx minus 2. X approaches 2 from right. So B is 2 right. Masukkan je. B2. So also 2 minus 2 is equal to 4, 2. So, and the third step is this one, number 1 is equal to number 2. The third step, 4a minus 1 is equal to 2 and 4a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 over 4. Positive. So the answer is B, positive. Okay. So the next number, dah boleh balik. Tak apa, kita continue sikit lagi. Okay, that number is number 50. Okay, ini kan. Y is equal to X. For this one, kena ni lah. Taking ln lah. Terbesar X, ln X. Kan, this is implicit. So differentiate ln, memang dia turun darjat kan. 1 over Y. Differentiate Y, dy, dx. And this one, ni UV. U, X, V, ln X. Ln X. Okay. And U prime 1, V prime 1 over X. And to my right, this one times this. So this is 1 times ln X plus X times 1 over X. So dy dx simple right. Y ln X plus 1. 1 you pencil 1. Then this is the answer. So substitute Y dapat X power X ln X plus 1. Ni lah. Kan, this is the answer is B. Answer dia, betul. This answer B. Ini bukan lah. Kan, dia tak ada macam ni. You jangan redah. This is exponent. And cari. Ini ada 1. Macam tu lah. You buat ln X ke no. This is not the answer. Because of this is base dia. X variable. Power variable. So you kena taking ln dulu. Okay. The next number 16. Cepat-cepat. Kita habiskan cepat-cepat. Find the value of this one. Okay, boleh cari value dulu Tak apa, okay, kita tegur sikit. The value is, atau you boleh buat one by one. Boleh buat dulu. You boleh buat macam ni. Adjust X, E, minus 3X. Buat product rule boleh. Quotient rule boleh. Up to you. Okay, saya kata buatlah product rule. Quotient rule because given in quotient right. Tak apa, kita cuba kita redah ni Kita buat ni dulu. Tapi boleh tukar lah. Bagi kita tengok mana senang right. Which are easy, which for you? B prime, negative 3, E, negative X. and silang pangkah. Okay, so dy dx. Okay, this is because dy dx 1 e power dx. Okay, ni minus 3x e negative x. Okay, so you check. Oh, you try to do direct lah. Kalau direct, you tengok. Ini y. This is y. Terus replace to y. Okay, before you proceed, you replace siap-siap to y minus 3y. Okay, macam tu senang. Okay, find d to y dx squared. Yang ini, kenapa jadi y pula ni? Ni x, dx. Awak nak tukar. Okay, so negative 3e negative x, 3x. The answer is 3 dy dx. Okay, and now, okay, that's the value, right? Okay, and then value for this one. You will substitute, kalau nak, substitute dalam ni. Substitute and show apa. Is it equal to 0 ke, negative 3 ke, macam tu. Okay, or you boleh, this is show actually. This is equal to 0. You boleh buat ni, macam show lah. Ini dx squared plus 3 dy dx. This one same like this kan ni. 3 dx. So take this one as a subject. Okay. Equals negative 3 kali ni. Dy dx. Okay. Plus 3y. Okay. So this one mesti show lah. Okay. Negative 3 dy dx minus 9y. And bring to one side. Dy dx squared plus 6 dy dx plus 9y is equal to 0. So the answer is 0. Kalau you are tak done, actually this is the answer is 0. To show this is 0. Okay, go a bit faster before we stop. Okay, 17. Tadi 17, 16 right? Nak bisa tu. Okay. Kita go. Okay, ini macam mana rupa? Okay, try to taking ln. Okay, taking ln. So e ln x squared plus y squared ln e. So e is constant. 1 over x. Ini 2x plus 2y dy dx. So 2y dy dx ini kan. Bawa ke sana e over x minus 2x. Kita tengok. Ini macam tak apa. Kita boleh try dulu dy dx. Ini saya jadikan equate the denominator over x and over 2y. So e minus 2x squared over 2xy. So this is the answer is B. So macam mana kita boleh nak tembak tak ni? Susah juga nak tembak ni. You tengok sampai sini dia tak akan macam ni lah. Okay, always have e exponent by because this constant. Adalah macam beri pangkah ni. Kalau you tengok kan antara between the three ni, yang ini ada extreme extreme. Dia boleh cancel. Okay, and this one tengok between this you can check ini sama tukar ni x squared. Okay, ni kena check dia buat. Susah nak juga nak tengok second view kan. Okay, parametric. Okay, parametric. Okay, kita masih 18 lah kan. Nak stop susah juga x. Okay, you boleh either you buat bring up macam ni dx dt negative t plus 1 square macam tu atau buat macam ni. Yang ini kita guna u and v lah. because of dia UV. Quotient. U T squared V 1 T plus 1. U prime 2T. Senang je kan? Malah nak buat je kan? And then dy dt. This quotient ini minus ni. 2T T plus 1 minus quotient T squared over 1 plus T squared. Okay, and expand 2T squared plus 2T minus T squared over 1 plus T squared. Okay, cancel, simplify lah hai. Okay, so nak cari ni. Bertahan juga ni. Tak apa. Kita always on the right hand side over the left hand side. This one kita boleh macam ni. Negative 1 over better 1 plus T squared. Better. So dy dx yang ini T squared plus 2T over 1 plus T squared. Kan over ni kan. Over ni saya buat macam ni. 1 plus T squared 1 plus T squared over negative 1. Saya buat direct terus. Saya guna konsep A over B, C over D. A over B. Kenapa dia silap mata? C over D. Jadi A over B times D over C. D over C. Tiba-tiba ni missing saya erase. Macam gini. Okay, ini cancel dapat negatif. Okay, T squared plus 2T. Macam tu. Cancel kan? Senang lah juga. Then, cari panjangnya. Okay, ini differentiate ni. Differentiate negative 2T minus 2 over dx dt. Dx dt saya tulis nak cepat kan. 1 plus T squared over negative 1. Ni tak payah. Saya tulis ni lah senang Okay. Saya direct ni kena differentiate ni. I use this formula lah. Nanti kan kalau tiba-tiba doktor nak laju ni. Okay. D dt differentiate dy dx over. Dia ni tak payah differentiate lagi. Yang ni je. I differentiate this one Ni. Jadi ni kan. Okay. And ini. Okay. Negatif. So positif lah. Plus Okay. 1 plus T squared. Substitute. Ni point. Dari point Ini X. Ini Y. Mana T? Tak ada T rupanya. So you can cari T. Substitute sini. And here. Half and find T. Cari kat sini lah senang Okay. X half ni. Sini. And 1 over T plus 1. Angkat T plus 1 is equal to T is equal to 1. Double check. Y T square over T plus 1. Angkat jadi T plus 1 is equal to 2T square. And 2T square minus T minus 1 is equal to 0. 2T 1 T 1. Ini minus positif. T is equal to 1 or T is equal to negative 1 over 2. So dia punya number is T is equal to 1. T is equal to 1. Substitute. T is equal to 1. Dalam ni. 2, 4. Ini 2, 4. Answer is 16. Hopefully betul lah. Answer is 16. Check Answer is it 16? Yes. 16. Okay, sikit lagi to go for stop. Nak stop ni. Okay, what is this? rectangular sheet perimeter 27 cm, dimension x cm by y centimeter is below. Okay, this is cylinder. Jadi this is rectangle. Okay, change to cylinder. Kat gambar je lah kan. They're given the kan apa disk and draw kan. Ni. So now ini perimeter. Perimeter. Ini dia punya height je. So dia nak apa ni? Sekejap. Values of x, y give the largest volume. So sekarang ni this is draw. Dah. Draw. Okay. Draw dah. Ni. Equation. Largest volume. Okay, yang ni lah. Okay. Largest. V equals pi r squared h, right? Okay. And Ex expressed to single variable. Sekarang ni between dipakai X. Ni Y kan. Y and X. Sekejap kita tengok dulu. Yang ini X. So macam mana dia punya? This is R, right? R. Okay, this is Y. H, Y. So H is Y. Perimeter. Kalau perimeter, ini Y, ini X. Dia punya connection is 2X plus 2Y is equal to 37. Ada bagi 27 ni. Okay. So, sekarang ni, ni kita nak apa? XY. Tak apa. Kita get rid of 1. So, ini punya formula. Pi. Ni R kan? Okay. Macam mana nak apa? Cari volume. Okay, cari. This is apa? This is Y kan? So kita connection ni dulu. Connection ini so kita buat lah mana kita tahu. Ni. So sekarang ni kita nak get rid of 1 lah. Jadi kita nak get rid of ni R ni. Macam mana cari R? How to find R? Okay. So kita tengok dia punya circumference ni. Kan? X kan? So apa dia punya formula circumference? Ini apa dia? Circumference dia. Okay, so the circumference S is lupa dah no. Tiba-tiba hilang ingatan ni. Pi is it X over 2 pi. R ini apa dia circumference saya lupa dah. 2 pi R is equal to X. R equals X over 2 pi. Betul. Okay, so substitute lagi. X over 2 pi. Kita ini circumference ingat lupa saya lama tak guna ni. Ni. Okay. So connect ni belum lagi sampai sini baru equation. Okay, tu saya elok sikit ya. Pi X over 2 pi squared Y. Now it's up to you nak guna ni to find Ex. Expressed into single variable. Okay. Too heavy kan. Let's say Y. Y equals 27 minus 2X over 2. Yang ni complicated. Tak apa. V is equal to pi. Ini Ini cancel. Kita cancel ni. Boleh cancel, kita cancel. X squared over 4 pi 27 minus 2x over 2. Okay. And then expand lah. Senang cerita lah, expand. Okay. Ini 20. Darab You boleh buat atau boleh guna product rule. Okay. Saya tak nak guna product rule. 27x squared over 8 pi minus yang ini x cube over 4 pi. Ni kan boleh cancel. So D1 is differentiate. Okay. So ini 27x over 4 pi minus 3x squared over 4 pi. Okay, is equal to 0. Maksimum kan? Okay, this one is equal to 0. Ni. Is equal to 0. 27x over 4 pi is equal to 3x squared. Factorize lagi bagus. Tak apalah, kita cancel. So 27x equals 3x squared. Okay, atau you boleh bring to one side lah, katakan. It's okay. X squared, kononnya lah Okay, nak tunjuk you factorize right. X minus 9. So X is equal to 9. Okay, nampak inilah. Kau nampaknya kan? Ni. Angka pula. And then cari, find Y. Given tadi, Y is equal to ni. Ni 27 minus 2X. Masukkan 27 minus 2X over 2, right? Check. Okay. X is equal to 9. 9. So 27 minus 18. Carilah calculator. So 9 over 2. Okay. And then actually cari, deduct kan. Cari and check is it maximum or minimum. Tapi dah nampak ni kan. So nampak sekira dah confirm dah kan. Jadi so ini jawapannya. Okay, objektif kan. Tak payah proper sangat kan jawapannya. Okay. And dia tanya lagi X. Okay, betul. The last one. Okay, this one. Okay. The last one is okay. Spotlight on the ground shines on the wall 10 meter away. 10 meter away macam mana? A man 2 meter tall go from the spotlight towards the wall. Okay, dia berjalan. A speed. Speed means that DVDT. Speed and DVDT. How fast shadow on the wall decrease. Shadow one decrease when he is 3 meter from. Okay, ayo. Okay, tak apa. Kita pelan buat. Ini orang. Ini wall. Okay, ini 10 meter. Ini 2 meter. So sekarang ni speed. Okay, walk from the spotlight. Mana spotlight? Spotlight to from spotlight to spotlight to what? At speed. Okay, tak apa. Okay, 10 meter. Okay, betul. Momentum from the spotlight towards the wall. Okay, so sekarang dV dt is equal to 1.2 meter per second. How fast the shadow? Okay, jadi sekarang ni spotlight, mana spotlightnya? Spotlight duduk kat mana? Is it duduk on the ground? Okay, on the ground. Okay, shine on a wall. Jadi katakan sini, kata contoh ke sana kan. Dia jalan ini 2 meter. Oh, sekejap saya silap ni. 10 meter away sini. Silap interpret. Oh, silap interpret ya. Okay, tak baca betul-betul. Baca banyak kali lah. Dah suruh baca banyak kali, bacalah. Dia semua banyak sekali. Spotlight on the ground. Shine on the wall. 10 meter away. Kan? Yang ini 10 meter away. Okay, 10 meter away. Okay. And ini jalan ke ni. The house for the shadow. Shadow kat mana? Shadow. Is it sebelah ini ke atau sebelah sini? Of course lah, dia blocking kan. Okay. Jadi sekarang ni he is 3 meter from the wall. Jadi nanti, this one nanti this one nanti. So you boleh bagi X dengan Y ke apa benda kan. Saya guna katakan ini X. Shadow apa? Y. So katakan kalau diameter is X. Okay. Diameter is X. Okay, kita tak nak guna V kan. This kita nak pakai dx dy. Okay, dx dt. Dx dt 1.2. So now kita tengok. Kita ambil ratio. Okay. This one is X lah. X. Okay. Ini tak bagi. Okay. Color sikit lah. Cantik sikit. Okay, this one Y. Total semua ni, that is 10. Okay, jadi dia sekarang ini, kalau kita kata sini 10, sini 10, dia gerak, kalau kata this is sini kan, dia stop sini. Kalau lain, sini, this is X, this is 10 minus X lah. Total 10 meter. Okay, so kita nak buat apa? Kita nak buat, actually this is kita nak guna apa? Kita nak guna, is it ratio? Kita guna ratio lah. Kalau tengok, ini kan, kalau tengok, Y over 10 ini 1 jadi 1 X 2 meter. Yang ini saya tak betul ini, tinggikan sikit lah. Ini lah sedang X. Satu lagi, ini Y, ini 10. Kita ambil ratio lah, ratio. And ini let's say Y over 10 equals, kalau you ambil ni, you ambil 2 over X is equal to Y over 10. Okay, this is dia punya relation lah. So, atau you boleh buat macam mana? Bawa sana ke sini. Susah jugalah kan. Macam mana saya nak buat ni? X, Y is equal to 20. Sekejap, saya filling sekejap. Sekarang nak differentiate. Atau you nak differentiate respect to T kan. Ini macam susah juga. Kita buat macam ni lah. Senang sikit. Y is equal to 20 over X lah. Senang cerita. So, now dia bagi dx dt. Kita differentiate respect to T. dy dt. dy dt. Ini 1 over X. Tulis 2dx. So, sekarang negatif X negatif 2. 20 memang kat sini lah dx dt. So, dia nak cari ni kan. Substitute lah. Ini 1 over X square. Tulis elok sikit lah. Dx dt. So, X tadi 3 meter. Ni 3 meter. So, X is equal to 3. Masukkan. dt tadi apa ya? dt tadi 1.2. 1.2. Okay. And cuba cek. Dan negatif ini saya cek kan. Jawapan senang cerita. This is 2 squared. Wait. X is equal to X ini. This is how fast the shadow went from 3 meter. Ni X 3. So 3. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 3 meter. Okay. Biasanya silap ni 3 meter. Cuba you tengok balik tak apa. Kita buat dulu. And cari. And saya cek jawapan senang. 24 over 49. Why this one is negative? Because of decrease. Tengok decrease. Okay. So, negative. So, jawapan is tak ada negative, right? To show this is decrease. The answer is yang ni lah. Memanglah dia tak ada. Okay. So, ceritanya macam ni lah. Ceritanya orang spotlight. Okay. Dan orang ni 2 meter. Tinggi sangat tu. Kan? Yang ini spotlight 10. So, kita nak create the triangle. Kalau you see this is X. Okay. Sini is 10 minus X lah. Ini tadi 3 meter. Okay, when the 3 meter from the wall, right? 3 meter from the wall is ni kenapa jap saya feeling. Okay, 3 meter from the wall. Which one wall a bit confusing lah right now because I not want to stop, right? 3 meter means that this is X, right? Because of X, saya buat X2 substitute so 7. Okay, tak apa, it's okay. Just baca and tengok. I need to stop now. Okay, and then actually I need to stop right now. Okay, and okay, this one study. If you not sure, contact me lah, contact me. And this one, okay, I said settle. Okay, I need to stop now because of need to go to somewhere. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, bye bye. Okay, hope to see you again. Bye bye.